Nah man, you get this baby Agolam. He can't Agolam, I swear. The girl now worry him seriously. Girl, your time is up. It's on the ceiling. I'm stone dead, I got no feelings. I'm so leaving, cause you the trip. You must be shaped like the toilet, cause you the shit. I hear you and your girls, you conversating, scheming on different ways to pocket penetrating. I loved you always, no matter what they say, cause you had a little class like half days. Don't test me, be on the move. You don't want my anger drawn like cartoons. Yeah, I know you're fine, one of a kind, but I'm so done putting my heart on the line.
Damn, no way that I can do this no more. You should pack up your bags, leave out the back door. Damn, you think that you can mess with me while you're doing him, girl, you crazy. Damn, don't think you can come back to me. Girl, the chapter is done. I'm chucking up my deuces. It's useless, there ain't no more you and me.
So I'm giving you the chance to say how you feel, but you gotta make me understand this shit is real. Now I understand why they say love is blind. It could cloud all the senses up in your mind. So weak, no power, aggravating, escalating issues every hour. Love making about 3 a.m. and when I'm back from tour we share my dividends. But this is it, this is the end. Straight line, about to bend. I'm so out, like money spent. It's goodbye, my very good friend.
Damn, no way that I can do this no more. You should pack up your bags, leave out the back door. Damn, you think that you can mess with me while you're doing me, girl, you're crazy. Damn, don't think you can come back to me. Girl, the chapter is done. I'm chucking up my deuces. It's useless, there ain't no more you and me. I ain't gonna waste my time, got chicks waiting in line. If you don't appreciate, then I'm gonna let you go, cause I'm not gonna stress. Yes indeed, it's not you I need.
Girl, you must be crazy, out of your mind. I am the future, you are behind. If you press rewind, back in time, I'll put you on the spotlight and let you shine.
Damn, no way that I can do this no more. You should pack up your bag, leave out the back door. Damn, you think that you can mess with me while you're doing me, while you're crazy. Damn, don't think you can come back to me. Girl, the chapter is done. I'm chucking up my deuces. It's useless, there ain't no more you and me.
Beats by legs, top left. Number 2011 still counting.